Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make a chicken stew using mushroom. Chicken mushroom stew. So I have approximately 600-700 grams of free-range chicken parts here, marinated with some light soy sauce and Shao Hsing wine. Yeah. Then I'll be using some of my Cooking Appa 100% natural chicken powder, where you can get it from Shopee, Singapore, and Malaysia. And I have a few pieces of ginger and garlic. And this is the dried shiitake mushroom. I actually pre-soak it. Yeah. How do you choose a good shiitake mushroom? Usually, a good one is very thick, as you can see from here. See, very thick. And usually, this part at the bottom of the umbrella is usually more whitish color. Right. So you soak until it is fully softened, and you remove the stem. The stem is very chewy. Yeah. We're going to start by giving a little bit of oil here, vegetable oil. After heating up the wok, you can then put in the ginger and also garlic. Saute for a minute or two until you get the aroma out. So this is after about 1 minute plus, you start seeing the ginger becoming brownish color or curl up. Then you can actually put in the shiitake mushroom. Give it a few stir. By doing so, you can actually get the more stronger flavor out or aroma out from the shiitake mushroom itself. Next thing, our marinated chicken. Give a few stir. This is one of the simplest dish, but I haven't been cooking this for a year or two. I don't know why. Wow, I can smell the very fragrant aroma coming out already. I wish you can smell this. We can actually put some Shao Hsing wine. One small bowl of Shao Hsing wine. If you don't take alcohol, just omit the Shao Hsing wine. Some people ask Appa, why does Chinese always like to use Shao Hsing wine? Because a few reasons. It will help to remove the gaminess of the meat. It will give you extra flavor. And after the alcohol evaporated, it will make your dish taste even better. Natural sweetness. Now after the Shao Hsing wine, give a bit of stir and nice char. Right. Here is some water. Hot water I'm using. I'm going to transform this water into chicken stock. So after the water, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Immediately, this hot water become chicken stock. 2 seconds. That's how convenient it is. Yeah. So Appa always have your always think of how to come up with some product that can make your home cooking life easier. And this chicken stock powder is my first product. There are a few products coming up soon. After which, I'm going to put in a bit of light soy sauce, a bit of dark soy sauce for the color, a bit of salt, a bit of sugar. The sugar will enhance the potency of your salt. Oh, I almost forgot, we have some, this is the water I use to soak the mushroom. Don't waste. Let's bring this to a boil. Oh, you can actually add in some oyster sauce. Oyster sauce, almost forgot. I'm using vegetarian oyster sauce today, which is also made out of mushroom. Right, so once this is boiling, get the lid, close it, and put down to medium low and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes and done. That's how simple this dish is. Let it reduce by itself. Right, this is after simmering under medium low heat or medium heat for the past 15 minutes. Yep, everything should be fully cooked right now, and I can imagine how good the mushroom will taste. The mushroom will actually soak up all the nice flavor. Right, you can right before serving, you can still use a bit of salt and sugar to adjust to taste. And I'm going to add in a little bit of sesame oil. Right, done. Right, here's my very simple chicken and mushroom stew for my dinner tonight. What are you making for your dinner? Let me know in the comment section below. Apao is still uploading minimum 4 cooking videos every week, yeah? So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Apa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.